Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The management team at ExxonMobil announced strong financial results for the third quarter of 2022. The company far exceeded expectations. Thousands of German industrial workers walked out for several hours over the weekend in an escalating pay dispute as leaders of Germany's powerful IG Metall union warned of more strikes to come if employers failed to improve their offer. China and Russia may be working toward a new gold-backed currency in a move that would aim to dethrone the dollar as the primary reserve currency of the world. But any such currency would have difficult time achieving that goal.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's construction orders will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Italy's gross domestic product at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 0500 hours GMT. Australia's retail sales will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US Chicago Purchasing Managers Index at 1345 GMT. The Eurozone's HICP at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.